Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to Ayurveda PG Basics YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Evan Siddhya Swami. Today day 13, we are discussing daily 15 MCQ which are important for all the Ayurveda competitive exams. First question, आस्थापन वस्ती given in which काला? ऑप्शन सर भोजन के पूर्व देना है, भोजन से तुरंत बाद देना है, निराहार भोजन के जीर्ण होने पर देना है, भोजन के 3 यम के बाद देना है. Okay, here yama is nothing but 3 hours period. आस्थापन वस्ती में कब देना चाहिए? करेक्ट आंसर इज आस्थापन वस्ती और निरो वस्ती गिवन इन एम्प्टी स्टमक और ओके निराहार और द भोजन के जीर्ण होने पर देना चाहिए. ओके, इट इज एक्सप्लेन्ड इन द वाग्भटाचार्य अष्टांगहृदय सूत्र साना. Okay, here important is Vagbhatacharya okay explained 3 types and Charaka Acharya also explained okay 3 types of the basti. What are they? They are the Anuvasana basti, Aasthapana basti and the Uttara basti. Okay, हमें आस्थापन बस्ती भोजन के पूर्व नहीं तो के निराहार देना चाहिए. अनुवासन बस्ती okay we will give after the food. Okay, उत्तर बस्ती is importance is okay. This उत्तर बस्ती is given through the मूत्र मार्ग or the योनि मार्ग. Okay, this is a major difference in the उत्तर बस्ती. If you have any questions regarding okay अनुवासन बस्ती, आस्थापन बस्ती and निरो बस्ती, ask your questions in the comments. And what are the time period in the Karma Basti, Kala Basti and Yoga Basti? How many Anuvasana Basti and Asthapana Basti given in each Karma Basti, Kala Basti and Yoga Basti? If you know, comment below. Next question, Tridoshaja Kushta Roga. Which of the following Kushta Bheda is okay Tridoshaja? Options are Kapala, Mandala, Pundarika and Kakanaka. Okay, it is explained in the Charaka Samhita Chikitsa 7th chapter. Okay, it is already asked in the okay many question papers. So okay, we have taken these questions from the BHU question paper. If you want okay more AIE PCT and the BHU previous year question paper, okay, which are repeated questions, we will discuss on our daily live stream video. If you want to okay, Govind Parikh 1 to 80 pages, daily 1 page okay revision, visit our channel okay in the live stream video, you will get all the videos. Here asking okay which Kushta having 3 dosha, Kapala, Mandala, Pundarika and Kakanaka. Correct answer is okay Kakanaka is having Vata, Pitta and Kapha dosha is predominant in Kakanaka. Okay, how many okay Kushta Roga? If you know, tell me in the comments. Okay, total 18 types of Kushta explained by Charaka Acharya. In that okay how many Kshudra Roga and how many okay Maha Kushta, if you know, write in the comments. If you have any questions okay regarding the Nidhana Panchaka and the okay Shamana Chikitsa and Shodhana Chikitsa in the Kushta Roga, if you have any questions, ask in the comments. If you know the answer, okay, what is the Chikitsa in the Kushta Roga, write in the comments. Next question, Yat Kurvanti Tat Viryam. Okay, this statement is taken from which Samhita? Yat Kurvanti Tat Viryam. Options are Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana 23rd chapter 13 sloka, Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana 26th chapter 13 sloka, Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana 1st chapter 9 sloka, Charaka Samhita Vimanasthana 8th chapter 8 sloka. If you know the answer, okay, write in the comments. Okay, at the last, how many questions if you corrected? You can check. Yat Kurvanti Tat Viryam. Okay, it's a definition about Dravya Vargikarana. Charaka Acharya okay explained in the Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana 26th chapter. Okay, after the Pancha Mahabhuta explanation. Okay, if you see the okay Charaka Samhita Chakrapani Tika, okay, we'll get in the Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana 26th chapter. After the Pancha Mahabhuta, okay, they have explained about okay Dravya, Guna, Karma, Virya and Vipaka. Next question, which is a Kafaja Kshudra Roga? If you remember, okay, Kshudra Rogas are nothing but minor diseases. How many minor diseases? Okay, explained by Shushruta Acharya and Charaka Acharya and the okay Madhava Acharya. We have already discussed in the okay day 7 important 15 MCQ. If you have any questions, you can visit our okay day 7. You will get detailed explanation. Here asking okay options are Alasaka, Charmadala, Vicharchika and Parisarpa. Which is a Kapha predominant Kshudra Roga? Okay, Alasaka it is nothing but okay it is Amaja Vikara. Charmadala or the okay Charmakila it is okay regarding the Arsha Roga. Okay, it is predominant of Kapha and Pitta dosha. Vicharchika is okay predominant of Kapha, Pitta and Rakta. Okay, predominantly it is predominant. Okay, means okay it is a maximum. We will see okay it is a Kafaja Roga. Okay, Kafaja Kshudra Roga. Okay, in modern science we can correlate with the okay Vicharchika with the eczema. The Parisarpa is okay predominant of mainly okay Rakta and Pitta dosha. So your correct answer is okay Vicharchika. Okay, here important okay very point important and okay which are asked in the okay previous year question papers. How many Kshudra Rogas explained by our Acharyas in major Samhita? How many Kshudra Rogas explained? If you know, write in the comments. Yes, I will tell. Okay, Shushruta Acharya explained total 44 Kshudra Roga. Vagbhata Acharya okay explained total 36 Kshudra Roga. Madhava Acharya okay explained total 43 Kshudra Roga. Okay, Shushruta Acharya explained 44. Madhava Acharya okay explained 43. Okay, if you read the Sharangadhara, in Sharangadhara Samhita okay explained okay total 60 Kshudra Roga. Okay, these are the numerical based questions. And which of the following is okay Vataja Kshudra Roga, Pittaja Kshudra Roga and Kaphaja Kshudra Roga? Okay, they can ask. Okay, which of the following is not a Kshudra Roga? They will give the okay 4 options and they can be asked. Okay, so remember this Kshudra Roga okay very important point explained by Shushruta Acharya. If you have any questions in the okay Kshudra Roga, ask your questions in the comments. If you like our explanation, please like this video and share this video to your okay 10 friends and subscribe to the Ayurveda PG Basics and be connected with us. Next question, Hollerina antidysenterica is a Latin name of which medicinal plant? Options are Kupilu, Kutaja, Lavanga and Kunkuma. Hollerina antidysenterica. Okay, it is a botanical name of Kutaja. Okay, Kutaja okay which is an important component in the Arogyavardhini Vati. Okay, here what is the family name of Kutaja? If you know, write in the comments. Okay, Kutaja belongs to the Apocynaceae family. Okay, what are the synonyms of Kutaja? Okay, synonyms are asked in the many okay previous year question papers. What are the synonyms of Kutaja? If you know, write in the comments. Okay, Kutaja also called as a Girimalika. It is also called as a Vatsaka, Indra Ruksha, Kuda, okay, Kutaja and Kutaji. Okay, this Kutaja, okay, very important. It is indicated in the okay Atisara or the okay Purushaja Vikara. If you have any questions in the okay Kutaja medicinal plant, ask your questions in the comments. And what is the Rasa, Virya and Vipaka of the Kutaja? If you know, write in the comments. And what are the botanical name of Kupilu, Lavanga and Kunkuma? If you know, write in the comments. Okay, Kupilu botanical name is the Trichonis noxiomica. Okay, it belongs to the Longiaceae family. Kutaja is okay Holerina antidecentrica, belongs to the Apocynaceae family. What is the botanical name of Lavanga? Okay, Lavanga having botanical name is the Squezium aromaticum. Okay, it belongs to the Myristaceae family. What is the botanical name of Kunkuma? It is okay Crocus sativus. Okay, we will upload the okay image based questions also on our community post. If you okay want to solve the daily MCQ, you can visit the okay Ayurveda PG Basics YouTube channel. You will get okay daily 5 to 10 MCQs on our community post. We have already uploaded okay 4,800 plus MCQs on our community post. Check out in the community post. Okay, if you want okay more botanical name and family name and the Rasa Panchaka related okay which are asked in the okay repeatedly asked in the previous year question papers, tell me in the comments. Okay, we can discuss in one more live stream video. Next question: what is the virya of Sympolocus resmosa plant? Okay, Sympolocus resmosa. First of all, tell okay Sympolocus resmosa is a botanical name of which medicinal plant? What is the virya of Sympolocus resmosa? You are asking. Okay, Sympolocus resmosa. It is the okay botanical name of Lodra. Okay, belongs to the Sympolaceae family. Sympolaceae family. You are asking what is the virya. First of all, okay, we'll understand what are the Rasa Panchaka of the Lodra. Okay, it is having the Kashaya Rasa. Pradhana Rasa in the Lodra is okay Kashaya Rasa, and its Vipaka is okay. It is a predominant of Katu Vipaka, and it is having okay Shita Virya Guna. Okay, virya is a Shita Virya. We are discussing about okay Guna. It is having okay Laghu and the Ruksha Guna. Okay, here important to remember okay all the drugs Virya and Vipaka. Okay, in this recently in the EIA PGT question paper, okay, we are seeing in the match the following question or the okay in the assertion and reasoning question, they can ask okay Virya and Vipaka related questions. Okay, if you have any questions in the okay Dravya Guna Vijnana topic, ask your questions in the comments. After the okay major Samhita, okay Charaka Samhita, Shushu Samhita, and Ashtanga Hridaya, okay, we are seeing maximum questions are asking from the Rasa Shastra and the Dravya Guna Vijnana. Okay, so these topics are very important. Okay, we want to okay discuss more assertion and reasoning questions, match the following questions, and okay more important questions okay which are repeatedly asked in the previous year question papers in our upcoming video. If you want to get all upcoming video, just subscribe to the Ayurveda PG Basics and be connected with us. Next question in Rasashala, okay, Purvadik in the okay Rasashala, Purvadik having okay which karma? Okay, our Rasa Vagbhata Acharya okay explained in the Rasaratna Samuchaya Ashtadik karmas okay in the Rasashala. Which is a karma in the Purvadik? Options are Agni Karma, Shastra Karma, Rasa Bhairava Stapana and Vedana Karma. Okay, this question is very important okay, and it is already asked in the okay many previous year question papers. Mainly okay in Purvadik they have asked. If you know what is the karma in the Purvadik or the Purva Disha, in Purva Disha okay there is a Rasa Bhairava, okay Bhairava Stapana done in the Rasa Shala. And Agni Karma is done in which Disha, Shastra Karma is done in which Disha, and Vedana Karma is done in which Disha. If you know the answer, write in the comments. Okay, let's discuss all the Dishas. It's very important okay, and asked many in the previous year, many times in previous year question papers. In Purvadik okay we will see there is Rasa Bhairava Stapana. Okay, in Paschima Dik okay we will see the Kshalana Karma. In Uttara Dik they done the okay Vedana Karma. In Dakshina Dik okay they do the Pashana Karma, and in the okay Nairutya Dik okay they will do the Shastra Karma. Okay, Nairutya Dik they will do the okay Shastra Karma, and Agneya Dik okay they will do the Agni Karma, and Vayuva Dik they do the okay Shoshana Karma, and at the last okay in the Ishana Dik they do the Siddha Vastu okay Bhandara Karma. Okay, these are the important points, and all the okay Ashtadik Karma are very important. If you have any questions in the okay Rasa Shastra, Maharasa, Uparasa, Sadharana Rasa okay, and the okay Rasa Shala and the Rasa Shastra okay, important okay the Itihas of the Rasa Shastra. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. Okay, if you want more questions from the Rasa Shastra and Vaisheshya Kalpana, please tell me in the comments. Next question: what is the dimensions of Mahaputa in Anguli Pramana? Options are 48 angula, 30 angula, 8 angula, and 2 angula. Okay, in Rasa Shastra we will see the okay there is a puta okay which is important instrument for the okay heating the objects. The puta is used. In Rasa Ratna Samuchaya okay we will see many putas okay, for example Mahaputa, Gaja Puta, Kapota Puta, and okay Kukuta Puta. We see okay many putas. Here asking mainly okay Mahaputa. What is the dimension of Mahaputa? It is having okay total 48 angula. Okay, its dimension is about 48 angula. Okay, and what are the dimensions or the okay length of Gaja Puta and the Kapota Puta and Kukuta Puta? If you know, write in the comments. Okay, how many angula? These are the puta. If you know, write in the comments. Okay, if you have any questions in the Rasaratna Samuchaya, ask in the comments. If you like our explanation, please visit our channel. Okay, see the day 1 15 MCQ to the day 12 15 MCQ. If you have any questions, ask your questions in the comments. Next question: Parada. Okay, having the mainly Vishadosha, okay, Vani dosha and Mala dosha. Here asking, okay, Parada Vishadosha is done with the Shodhana. Which Shodhana Dravya is used in the, okay, Vishadosha Nirvapana. Options are Trifala, Chitraka, Bhalataka and Trikatu. Okay, Parada will see, okay, many doshas. Naisargika dosha, Aupadika dosha and Yogika dosha. Okay, how many Naisargika dosha, if you know, write in the comments. And Upasargika dosha and Yogika dosha. If you know the answer, write in the comments. Okay, here for the Visha dosha, okay, for removing the Visha dosha, we will use, okay, Trifala Churna for, okay, Shodhana Karma. And what are the, okay, Shodhana Aushadhis used for, okay, Visha, Vani dosha and Mala dosha? If you know the answer, tell me in the comments. Okay, if you give the maximum comments, it will encourage us to, okay, do the more video about, okay, Rasa Shastra and Vaishishya Kalpana. So please do the, okay, more comments and ask your questions and give the suggestions in comments. Next question, Vipaka of the Amlaki Phala. Okay, what is the Vipaka of Amlaki? Options are Madura, Amla, Katu and Kashaya. Okay, important is botanical name and family name. Amlaki, okay, botanical name is Embelica officinalis. It belongs to the, okay, Euphorbiaceae family. Okay, it's very important. The family name also, okay, asked many times in previous year question papers. BHU previous year question paper. If you want, okay, discuss the BHU and EIE PGT previous year question paper, tell me in the comments. We can discuss in, okay, upcoming live stream video. Here, what is the Vipaka of Amlaki? Okay, Amlaki having, okay, the Amla Pradhana, Lavana Varjita, okay, Pancharasa is present in Amlaki. Okay, it's having the Shita Virya. Amlaki having, okay, Shita Virya and Madhura Vipaka. Okay, here important, okay, the main difference between Amlaki and Haritaki. Okay, it is explained by Charaka Acharya. The main difference in Amlaki and Haritaki, okay. Amlaki having, okay, Shita Virya and Haritaki having, okay, Ushna Virya. Okay, except all the properties, okay, guna are same in the Amlaki and Haritaki. Okay, it is explained in the Charaka Samhita Chikitsa, okay, first chapter. So correct answer is, okay, Amlaki having, okay, Madhura Vipaka. If you have any questions in the, okay, Amlaki, how the, okay, Amlaki is given in the Prameh Roga, okay, what are the other indications of Amlaki? If you know, write in the comments. In which diseases, okay, the Amlaki is indicated. Next question, Paradagati. Okay, according to Rasaratna Samuchaya, Ruddha Bhattacharya, okay, Rasa Bhattacharya, okay, explained how many Paradagatis. Rasa Bhattacharya, okay, explained in the Rasaratna Samuchaya first chapter 84 sloka, how many Paradagatis explained. Okay, first of all, tell what is the atomic number and the atomic weight of the Parada. If you know, write in the comments. Okay, and what is the specific gravity? We have already discussed in the, okay, in previous video. The specific gravity of the mercury or the Parada is, okay, 13.6. Okay, it's a very important point. Okay, again, here we are discussing about, okay, Paradagati. Options are 3, 5, 8 and 18. How many Paradagatis explained by Rasa Bhattacharya? Okay, Rasa Bhattacharya explained total 5 Paradagati. Okay, what are they? They are the, okay, Jalagati, Malagati, Dhumagati and the Jivagati, and one more is the, okay, Hamsagati. Okay, it's very important. Okay, this is a unique question. Unique question, okay, only explained in the Rasaratna Samuchaya. Okay, and how many Gatis explained in the Rasa Tarangani? If you know, write in the comments. Next question, Pratyeka Pushpa also called as. Okay, in Charaka Samhita Sutra Sana, okay, second chapter, we have already discussed, okay, Pratyeka Pushpa and Pratyeka Shreni. Options are Aragvada, Apamarga, Agaru and Agnimanta. Okay, here Pratyeka Pushpa also called as, okay, Apamarga. Okay, this Apamarga also called as, okay, other synonyms of Apamarga are the Shikari, Adashalya, Mayuraka, Karamanjari, Aghata, Chida, okay, and Latamanjari, okay, Apamarga. These are the synonyms of Apamarga. What are the, okay, Paryaya of Aragvada, Paryaya of, okay, Agaru and Paryaya of Agnimanta? If you know the, okay, synonyms of the Aragvada, Agaru and Agnimanta, write in the comments. If you want, okay, more questions from the Dravaguna Vijnana and Rasa Shastra, tell me in the comments. Okay, please give the comments if you know the answer. If you don't know the answer, okay, tell me in the comments. We will give the answer in the comments. Next question, Shukra Shonita Jiva Sanyogi Tu Khalu Kukshigate Garbha Sangya Bhavati. Okay, it is the definition of Garbha. How the Garbha is, okay, formed by the Shukra and Shonita Sanyoga. Okay, by the combination of, okay, Shukra Shonita Garbha is formed. Its sloka is, okay, explained by which Acharya? Options are Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana 4 chapter 8 sloka, Charaka Samhita Sharirasthana 4 chapter 5 sloka, Shushu Samhita Sutrasthana 4 chapter 4 sloka, Shushu Samhita Sharirasthana 8 chapter 4 sloka. What is the reference? Okay, this Shukra Shonita Jiva Sanyogi Tu Khalu Kukshigate Garbha Sangya Bhavati. It is explained by which Acharya? Shukra Shonita Jiva Sanyogi Tu Khalu Kukshigate Garbha Sangya Bhavati. Okay, it is explained by Charaka Acharya, okay, Sharirasthana 5th chapter 5th sloka. Okay, it's a 5th chapter 5th sloka. Okay, it's a correction. It is explained by the Charaka Acharya and Charaka Samhita Sharirasthana 5th chapter, okay, about the Garbha. Okay, if you know the reference of Garbha, okay, definition in the Shushu Samhita. If you know, write in the comments. Yes, okay, and Shushuta Acharya, okay, explained about Garbha. Definition is, okay, Shukra Shonita Garbha Shayasta Atma Prakriti Vikaras Samuchita Garbha iti uchyate. Okay, this definition explained by Shushuta Acharya and Shushu Samhita Sharirasthana, okay, 5th chapter 4th sloka. Okay, if you have any questions in the, okay, Garbha definition or the, okay, Garbha Sharira related questions, ask your questions in the comments. Okay, you can visit the Charaka Samhita Sharirasthana or the Shushu Samhita Sharirasthana. Okay, you will get all the questions related to the Garbha. If you have any questions, okay, regarding the Garbha Sharira, ask your questions in the comments. Next question, Artava, okay, having the which guna? Artava Shitamaya, Artava Agneya, Artava Ksharamaya, Artava Gunjamaya. What is the, okay, guna of Artava? Reference is Shushu Samhita Sharirasthana, okay, 3rd chapter 2nd sloka. Okay, Artava Agneya. Okay, Artava having the Agneya guna, or it is predominant, okay, Teja. Or the Agni guna is predominant in Agneya. Okay, similarly, Shukra, okay, Saumya Shukramaya, Artava Agnemaya. Okay, these are explained by Shushrutaracharya in Sharirasthana, third chapter. Okay, if you have other questions regarding Shukra and Artava, ask your questions in the comments. Okay, and what are the pramana of the Shukra and Artava? If you know the Shukra and Artava pramana, explained by Shushrutaracharya, write in the comments. Okay, your comments really motivate us to do more video. Please do the comment. Okay, if you don't know, also comment. We will answer in the comments. Next question. Tata Dvairudaya Achakshate Ruddha. Explained by which acharya? Options are Charakacharya, Shushrutaracharya, Vagbhatacharya, and Kashapacharya. Okay, about the Dvairudhani explained by Shushrutaracharya also and Charakacharya and Vagbhatacharya also. Okay, and Kashapacharya also explained. Here asking Tat Dvairudaya Achakshate Ruddha. This line is taken from which Samhita? Or told by which acharya? Charakacharya, Shushrutaracharya, Vagbhatacharya, and Kashapacharya. Correct answer is this shloka is explained by Charakacharya. Okay, Dvairudhani we will see the in third month. We will see the Dvairudhani growth. Okay, according to Shushrutaracharya, Dvairudhani growth we will see in the fourth month. If you have any questions in the 1 to 9 month development of Masan Masi Garbha Ruddhi, ask your questions in the comments. Okay, reference is Charaka Samhita Sharirasthana 4 chapter 15 shloka. Okay, it's very important. Okay, 1 to 9 month development of the fetus according to Charakacharya and according to Shushrutaracharya and according to Vagbhata and Kashapacharya. Okay, this is very important for theory examination and competitive examination also. If you want to more AIA PGT related MCQ, visit our channel community post Ayurveda PG Basics. Okay, community post you will get more MCQs on our community post. We will upload daily 5 to 10 MCQs on our community post. If you really like our explanation, like our posts and like our video and tell me in the comments. Next question. Okay, last question of this video. Dash Ashtami Asthira Bhavati Ojah. It is explained by which acharya? Charakacharya, Shushrutaracharya, or both the above or none of the above. Okay, Dash Ashtami Asthira Bhavati Ojah. Okay, in Ashtama Masa, okay, in 8th month we see our acharya has explained the Ojas is in the Asthira stage. Okay, or Asthira, Ojas in the condition of Asthira Bhava. Okay, explained by our acharyas. Both Charakacharya and Shushrutaracharya explained same. Okay, Ojas is in the Asthira Bhava in the 8th month. Okay, it's very important and it is also asked in the many BHU previous year question papers. So we have taken these questions. Okay, if you want more repeatedly asked in the BHU previous year question papers and EIA PGT, repeatedly asked question papers, tell me in the comments. Okay, if you want more video, also tell in the comments. Okay, if you have any questions in the major Samhita, Charaka Samhita, Shushruta Samhita, Ashtanga Hridaya, also write in the comments. Okay, if you like our explanation, please give the feedback in the comments. Myself, Dr. Revan Siddhya Swami, signing off. Okay, we'll meet in the one more video with another 15 MCQ. If you not seen our Govind Parikh 1 to 80 pages, daily live streaming video, visit our channel Ayurveda PG Basics. Okay, get all the video. Okay, at last I would like to tell, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and share this video to all your friends and be connected with our channel Ayurveda PG Basics. Thank you and all for being connected with our channel Ayurveda PG Basics community. Thank you so much for your time.